Hey there you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is super exciting because it is my update to my Avantvous eyeshadows project pan, and as you probably saw from the title, we are rolling out 2 eyeshadows. That means we are rolling in 2 new ones. So if you're interested in seeing my progress and what eyeshadows will be rolling in, then just keep on watching. Okay, so let's talk about the eyeshadow that will be staying with me for the next month. It is the Colourpop Dream Street palette, and the shade that I have rolled in is the shade Mermaid Boy. So this is what it looks like right now, and as you can see, I definitely did some damage to it. That is because I think in one of the previous videos you probably saw me wearing like a very intense teal cut crease, and it was, you know, using this shade, so that kind of helped me along, and you know, I had to use a lot of product to get that kind of effect, so it definitely helped me with the dip. But you know, I'm still not there. So overall, since my last update, I used this shade 6 times, and overall in this project I had used this shade 10 times. So still a long way to go to hit pan, because these I know Colourpop is notoriously known for their pans to be quite deep, so you know, I'm not I'm not getting my hopes up thinking that I might hit pan next month, because I probably won't. But you know, it's a nice shade to work on because it's so unique. Let me just give you a little swatch of this shade, and then we can, you know, swatch the shades that will be rolling in as well and have a color story. So this is what it looks like, a beautiful metallic teal shade, just so lovely. And now let's talk about the eyeshadows that I did manage to hit pan. One comes from my Mercury Retrograde palette from Huda Beauty, and I was working on the shade Galaxy, and as you can see, I have a shiny new pan here. I hit this one actually before in this project also, but you know, it's nice to have 2 pans in this eyeshadow. It is a beautiful, just a very metallic lit shade that just looks so stunning. It's so foiled, so metallic, it's absolutely beautiful. So let's talk numbers. This guy took me overall 5, 6, 7, 8 times to hit pan, and since the last update I had used this shade 5 times. So you know, not much, but because this shade is so kind of malleable, I did, you know, see myself hitting pan fairly fast, and those pans are not deep whatsoever, so you know, it was quite easy. So let me just give you a swatch of this shade. It's just beautiful, kind of rose gold shade. So pretty. Look at this. Oh, beautiful. I really enjoyed using this guy all over my lid. Just so pretty. And then also I had another Huda Beauty palette. This one is the new nude palette, and I was working on the shade Daydream, which is this one right here. And as you can see, we also have pan. So let's talk numbers. It took me 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times to hit pan on this shade. Now because this is a metallic shade, I assumed it might be a little bit easier, and again, these pans are not very deep, so you know, I foresaw myself actually hitting pan quite fast on this guy, which is great. So let me give you a swatch of this one also, and it is kind of similar to the Galaxy one from the Mercury Retrograde, but just the tone is a little bit different. It's a bit warmer, it's a bit reddish, and I just enjoyed it so much. I forgot to mention, since last update I had used this shade 8 times. So yeah, not much, but you know, it's still a progress. And also, as you probably saw, I hit I hit a bonus pan in the shade Bare, which I was using as a transition, not transition, as a setting shade for my eyeshadows. So I'm so excited that I'll be rolling out 2 eyeshadows and I'll be rolling in 2 new ones. So it's time to bring out the random number generator and my spreadsheet. So as of today, I have 343 eligible eyeshadows for rolling into hit pan basically. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a minimum of 1, because that's how my Excel sheet starts. It starts at 1 and 343, and I'm going to randomly generate 2 numbers. So I'm going to shake, and the first number is 166, and the second number is 289. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fish out those shades and I am going to show them to you. I have to say we're having a Colourpop month because all of my shadows are from Colourpop. I have the Dream Street palette, Mermaid Boy, and I've rolled in 2 Colourpop palettes, and both of them are a collaboration with Kathleen Lights. So thanks Kathleen for that. So number 166 came from my Zodiac palette, and I rolled in the shade the Virgo, which is a deep, dark, cool toned brown. So it is going to be very interesting. I guess I could use it as a liner, or I could use it to deepen up my looks. I guess we will figure it out. I'm thinking this is going to take so long to hit pan, but I guess we'll just work on it. That's it, we'll just work on it. And then 289 came from my Colourpop So Jaded palette, and I got the shade Amethyst. So this is the one right here, very bright purple shade. So let's give it a swatch. Oh my god, this is a very interesting color story. I guess you'll be seeing a lot of purple looks in the next couple of months. But unfortunately, the Amethyst shade is one of those weird formulas that Colourpop has. It's kind of satiny, which honestly is not my favorite kind of shade, but I guess we'll have to work with it. But yeah, that completes today's video. This is our color story. Very interesting, very colorful and dark. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.